This program is brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. IG, where traders are made.
All right, stock of the day is always one that we choose, which is in the news for the day. Netwealth, the big platform stock. We thought we'd cover that as the company says it received record inflows over FY24. That would be a total of $22 billion net inflows to funds under administration, 25.2% uptick from last year. For the June quarter, funds under management increased 38%. Stock price received positive tailwinds over the past few years. Is it about to continue? Let's see how the stock is trading on the back of that announcement today, says he, talking slowly to see if the chart comes up, and we've got a technical glitch, so I'll start talking normally again. Mark Gardner, what do you think of the Netwealth result and the stock at the moment?
Well, stocks like this are all about, funds under advisement or funds under management, so inflows are always good. They've maintained, I think they're market leading. Overall, there's some strategic initiatives involving some AI and some integration with some strategic partners, which is also pretty good as well. But yeah, they're obviously, their margins are sort of slightly expanding as well because I'm assuming economies of scale. So number of accounts is up by 10% as well. Got like 135,000 accounts or thereabouts. It says here, but it's pretty lofty prices at the moment. It is probably one of those stocks that, you don't really necessarily want to be trading off PE because it's a growth stock, and it may continue to go higher. I'd probably say at this stage, it's a hold erring on a buy, but we probably, I guess in the funds management space, we're very much leaning towards either Regal or GQG. These guys are obviously slightly different, but but that would be where we would be placing, and I think there is obviously ETFs as well makes it a lot easier for people to invest because it's a lot simpler concept, and a lot of people are not necessarily looking to beat the index; they just want to level peg it and not get crucified by fees. And I saw that ETFs had a record inflow as well for the financial year of like 200 odd billion or something. So which is really good for these sorts of platforms because the ETFs you can invest in a thematic or you can invest in an index or whatever. You don't have to necessarily be stock pickers because not all of us have the time to watch the call or do the research, busy with kids and jobs and things like that. So that's really, that trend towards ETFs is really going to help these sorts of platforms as well. I think Hub's up as well today, but it's a pretty green day overall. So it's a good day to put out an announcement.
Yep, exactly. Grady?
I'm going to go different on this one, simply because it's on a run. I would take some profits at this level. It is a great stock. They're very strong quarter, record quarter inflows. FY25 is looking pretty strong, except management did guide to lower margins. So in this environment, in this space, it's a really competitive space with three, I think, Hub, Netwealth and Premium, so three key providers. And so in such a highly competitive market, you need margin appreciation. You don't want to guide towards lower margins. So that is downside risk moving forward. And that is not what we want to be seeing for a company like this. So I'd say a sell, take some profits in this current level, but
sell out altogether? Or
no, just trim.
Yeah.
Just trim.
And your definition of trim is what? A third or a quarter?
For me personally, I trim profits. So I trim my deposit and let the profits run.
Right.
So that's always my personal. You get your capital back. That's my personal trading and investing style. I like to, if there's been a run, like same with Neuron, I trimmed my deposit or my capital, and then it's just letting the profits run now.
Right.
So it's just how I've always traded, and that's just my preference, and everyone has their own preference. So
No, good advice. All right, that's our stock of the day.
This program was brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended hours on key US shares and competitive spreads. All on an award-winning platform. IG, where traders are made.